We are Tarkett. We come from a proud tradition of excellence, entrepreneurship, and innovation. Our values have been transmitted from one generation to the next for 140 years. Our story, the Tarkett story, begins with small businesses, and with the three main businesses behind our values and our name. In 1880, the Sommet family opened a small business producing felt in Mouzon, France. By the 1930s, it was producing 60% of all French felt. Sommet soon became a household name. In the 1950s, François Sommet, a technical and social innovator, created Tapiflex, a product that combined traditional felt with a new type of backing and vinyl. In 1912, in a tiny French alpine village, hay merchant Joseph Alibert founded his company. Soon, he was selling insoles made of straw to keep shoes warm and dry around the globe. After World War II, Bernard Deconinck took responsibility from the company from Joseph Alibert, his father-in-law. Bernard Deconinck was one of the first entrepreneurs in France acquiring a large plastic molding press. He would design and make plastic products that would change everyone's lives. Bernard Deconinck's vision transformed Alibert into a global company. The third founding company is at the origin of our name. In the 1940s, the Swedish company Limhamn invented multi-layer parquet, which revolutionized flooring. In the 1950s, they launched a new floor covering and vinyl called Tarkett. The name was chosen to rhyme with parkett, the Swedish word for parquet. And, concerned about preserving precious natural resources, they started their first recycling initiative with vinyl in 1957. In 1971, François Sommet and Bernard Deconinck decided to unify their expertise in plastic for automotive and for home. Sommet Alibert became the first European plastic transformers. Sommet Alibert merged with Tarkett in 1997 and focused on flooring activities, ultimately taking the name of Tarkett in 2003. The Deconinck family was still involved in the company and remains so today. Since 1997, we've continued to grow. In 2002, Santalon joined Tarkett to build the future leader of flooring in Russia. And in 2004, Field Turf brought to Tarkett the new generation of artificial turf to become a worldwide leader in sports surfaces. We've joined forces with recognized companies that also have built their success over many years to build a global family based on shared values. For more than 60 years, we've been committed to developing new ways of doing business and planning ahead for the future with a cradle-to-cradle approach. We work proactively to improve our products because it's the right thing to do for people living on our floors. We continuously seek out new ways to reduce our carbon footprint and turn rubbish into new beautiful floors, endlessly. Building on our heritage, we have a powerful vision for the future to make our flooring even more sustainable and more beautiful. Over the last 140 years, our employees have helped design, develop, and improve solutions for our customers in healthcare, education, hospitality, workplace, residential, and sports. Today, we continue to anticipate the future with our products, our designs, and our approach to sustainability, so that future generations of our global Tarkett family can provide future generations of people with products for every moment of their lives. This is our story. These are our values. This is the heritage we will preserve and grow. We are Tarkett.